Hey there! In this short tutorial, we're going to quickly explore using templates inside of Blaze Designer to supercharge your design ideas. If you use a visual post wizard to get a head start on your post, the wizard will walk you through the process of selecting a template. But let's say you started from scratch like me, or perhaps you're working on a design with an existing template and you want to experiment with something else. If that's the case, make sure to create a copy of your existing design by clicking the ellipses shown here, and then make a copy. That way you have a backup of your existing work. By clicking the Templates button located at the top of the screen, you'll bring up the Templates side panel. There are some filters that you could use to narrow your search down to find that right template that's perfect for you. Navigate through them and select something that you like. I like this one right here. So to add it to your canvas, simply click it. You'll get a prompt that some or all of the shapes that you might have on your canvas could get replaced. And if you're good with that, go ahead and click confirm. Remember, you have a backup. Now, simply edit the elements to best suit your design. Notice the replace buttons shown on my screen? You can use them to do just that. When the image is replaced, if it needs to be adjusted, you can use the bounding boxes on the screen around the image to resize it. If the image needs to be cropped to better suit the design template, you can press Control on your keyboard, hold it down, Command on a Mac by the way, and drag the bounding box around to crop the image. If you need to grab items that are behind objects on the canvas, meaning you can't click them, click the back arrow in the top corner of the side panel to back out to the layer stack. Here you can select all of the elements in your image and select what you need. You might need to move these objects to the front of the stack to be able to edit them easily. Then, once you're happy with the changes, simply move the layer back to its original position in the layer stack to restore the design. Same with editing text and other shapes. Simply select the item you want to change, and then notice that the options appear above the item you selected and in the side panel. Here is where you're going to want to make any of the changes that you need. So that's all there is to working with templates inside of Blaze Designer. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.